Hey guys, I'm going to make a video for you today going through one of my planners that I use. So this one is called the 2021 Soul Roots Planner and Journal for Sustainable Mindful Living. Now I got this on a website called Mountain Rose Herbs, but it doesn't say that anywhere on this planner, so I think you can get this in other places as well. It's Soul Roots Planner on Instagram, so you can look up Soul Roots and you'll find it. So this is a planner that is made for people that are into health and astrology and earth wisdom. So there's the moon phases there, and then it's got the yearly holidays in a calendar. So this page is about life purpose. The meaning of life is whatever you ascribe it to be. Being alive is the meaning. I love that quote. So there's journal pages here, and then you got a monthly calendar, thoughts and notes for January. I have been using this for a couple weeks, so I'm going to go ahead and find a month that I didn't start yet. So I'll start in March. Alright, so here's the first page of each month. And then there's also going to be pages like this where they have some information. This one happens to be about cedar. And then the pages that have the daily entries start with a weekly mantra. So the top is going to be like a weekly mantra section. And then here's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. So each side of a page is going to have 7 days. So it's enough space for a lot of information. I'll show you quick the way I've been using it. I just fill up every page. So you can kind of put whatever you want in it. It's just weekly, things, whatever you want to journal about. And then the left side is going to have a lot of information pages with tips, tricks, things like that. And I just like it for that reason. So it's very small. I mean, it is for a whole year, but it's a thinner journal, so it's not as big as some of the other ones that I use. But that's because each day is just a small little section. It's not a lot of space for each day. What this journal is mostly good for, though, is these kind of pages. So, here's a really good one. This is the different brainwave states: gamma, beta, alpha, theta, delta, and what each one of them is good for. I love talking about that, so that's going to be a good page to look at. Binaural tones, that's another good one. Yeah, so it's all about nature. So if you're into nature, you'll love this book. A lot of the journals that I get have to do with nature and astrology. So the last page is going to be the 2021 year in review: books, films, adventures and travel, music, classes and workshops, and special events. So that's this book. It's very small, but it crams a lot. If you don't write a lot, if you don't need to write a whole lot, it's good for that. And it's, this will fit in a purse because it's like a 7 by 5, or I'm not quite sure what it measures at, but you can see according to my hands here, it's not as big as a regular letter size. So this will fit into a purse. This is good for travel. So I guess I'm just going to end this by saying this is a nice little planner for if you don't have a lot of things to write. Like I said, it's just 4 lines for each day, but it's more for information. It's more for nature information. Here's herbal oil massage. That's pretty cool. It's got a couple of herbs there. So yeah, it's good for that kind of thing. Natural health. If you're into natural health, you'll love this. So that is this review of this Soul Roots Planner and Journal. I like it a lot. Leave a comment below or like the video and subscribe for more videos like this, because I use a lot of planners and journals, and I'm going to be making a lot more videos on the ones that I use. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.